There was a bird cage, or a bird park right by my hotel. So these are birds. I'm not sure what that is. Some green birds. There's some parrots there. Or soldataranras in Dutch, I'm assuming. There's some red parrots. They're red. Check that out. That's cool. There's some little birds. I don't know what they are. They're chilling out. Let's keep walking. That's another parrot. This one's blue, though. I think that's a pirate parrot, right? Parrots. He's sneezing. There's some birds. Ground birds, if you will. Let's see here. This is a Rudely parakeet. Because they're Rudleys. There's some purple things. What is that? Hello, birdies. Ah, it flew. Awesome. That's a bird. There's some little birds.